Homemade prawns jollof rice recipe, delicious and nutritious. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on a culinary adventure with a dish that's as delightful to make as it is to savor, homemade prawns jollof rice. If you're a fan of rich, savory flavors and a touch of seafood goodness, you're in for a treat. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel and ring the bell so you never miss out on our scrumptious recipes. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Ingredients: 1. Long grain parboiled rice, 2 cups. This type of rice is perfect for absorbing all the wonderful flavors while maintaining a tender texture. 2. Fresh prawns, 500 grams, make sure to peel and devein them for a hassle-free dining experience. 3. Onion, 1 large, finely chopped, adds a savory base to our dish. 4. Tomatoes, 3 ripe, blended, provides a luscious, vibrant color to our jollof rice. 5. Red bell pepper, 1, blended, adds sweetness and depth to the tomato base. 6. Green bell pepper, 1, finely chopped, introduces a crunchy texture and freshness. 7. Garlic, 3 cloves, minced, infuses a robust aroma into the dish. 8. Ginger, 1 teaspoon, grated, adds warmth and a hint of spice. 9. Tomato paste, 1 cup, enhances the tomato flavor and gives a velvety consistency. 10. Chicken or vegetable broth, 2 cups, provides a savory liquid base for our jollof rice. 11. Thyme, 1 teaspoon, imparts a subtle earthy flavor. 12. Curry powder, 1 teaspoon, adds a touch of warmth and complexity. 13. Bay leaves, 2, infuses a subtle herbal aroma. 14. Salt and pepper, to taste, season to perfection. 15. Vegetable oil, 1/4 cup, used for sautéing and bringing all the flavors together. Preparation: Step 1. Rinsing the rice. Start by thoroughly rinsing the rice in cold water. This helps remove excess starch for a fluffier end result. Set the rinsed rice aside. Step 2. Sautéing the aromatics in a large pot. Heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent and aromatic. Step 3. Adding aromatics and base. Introduce the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pot, stirring for another minute until the kitchen is filled with their delightful fragrance. Now, add the blended tomatoes and red bell pepper, letting the mixture cook until it thickens, and the oil begins to separate. Step 4. Spices and tomato paste. Stir in the tomato paste, thyme, curry powder, bay leaves, salt, and pepper. Let this flavorful medley simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the spices to meld and the mixture to reach a rich consistency. Step 5. Coating the rice. Add the rinsed rice to the pot, ensuring it's well coated with the savory tomato mixture. This step lays the foundation for our scrumptious jollof rice. Step 6. Introducing the broth. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. This step infuses the rice with a savory essence, creating a symphony of flavors. Step 7. Simmering to perfection. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the rice cook for about 15 minutes or until it's almost tender. This slow simmer allows the rice to absorb all the delicious flavors. Step 8. Incorporating prawns and bell pepper. Gently fold in the fresh prawns and chopped green bell pepper, ensuring an even distribution. Cover the pot once more and let it simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the prawns to cook to perfection and the rice to reach its full tenderness. Benefits. Now, let's delve into the health benefits of our homemade prawns jollof rice. Prawns, being an excellent source of high-quality protein, contribute to muscle health and overall well-being. The variety of vegetables and spices not only elevate the dish's taste but also provide essential vitamins and antioxidants, promoting a nutritious addition to your diet. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to crafting your own homemade prawns jollof rice. This dish isn't just a feast for the taste buds, it's a celebration of flavors and a testament to the joy of homemade cooking. So, go ahead, give it a try, and let us know how your culinary journey unfolds in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delectable recipes coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking! Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thank you very much, homemade prawns jollof rice lovers.